Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a Marvel Legends Black Panther Killmonger unboxing. Let's just get to this and do it. Savage. So, we have the back. You have all the characters you can get in the Marvel Legends series. So we have Black Panther, obviously, Killmonger, who we have right here, Marvel's Makia. Yeah, I didn't watch Black Panther, so yeah, don't sue me. Marvel's Black Bolt, Submariner, and Iron Man. If I said Mariner wrong, then put it in the comments. On the top, it says, a warrior of physical and mental strength. Eric Killmonger slashes into battle with intensity. Yeah, a word that I can't say because it sounds Spanish or something, but the rest of it is different language. You also have the Build-A-Figure Oki. I didn't watch Black Panther, so I don't know who that is. Let's get to unboxing this thing. I'm not sorry about the first unboxing I did. I'm really not. This one's way better though. Savage. So we're just gonna take the tape off. Yeah, I just ruined the box. Yeah, that's some damage, but I can live with it, I think. Yeah, this box is destroyed. Oh boy, critical damage. Yeah, I'll see you when I get this big boy out of the box. I almost got this thing out of the package. There we go. Eric Killmonger. This is a nice background. This is gonna be in the back for the rest of the video. Deal with it. This packaging. Ew. Nobody needs that, but yeah, I like this. This is gonna be in the background for the rest of the video. Yeah. Balancing on bread, because that's smart. Yeah, I might change the camera angle, because you can hardly see this bruh, but I'm just gonna get him out. First I'm gonna change the camera angle, then get him out. Okay, do you think that's better? If it's not, then put it in the comments. Getting this big boy out. Harder than I thought. So these are all the accessories. Boy. So we're just gonna quickly go through them. Leg, sword, hands, and I'm just kidding. So this is the leg for the Build-A-Figure that I'm never gonna finish, so that can go bye-bye. Right here we have the, like a weapon that I never saw in Black Panther, so I don't know what this is. If it was important to the movie, put it in the comments. Spoil this movie for me, but pretty Wakandian, if you know what I mean. It has some kind of silver little areas in here, and gold or string, if that's gold or string. It's gold, I think. That's string. Never mind. So it has like string and gold around it. Pretty nice. Nothing really much to tell about this. Really, it's just jabby. So that's done. He also comes with this lightsaber. No, it doesn't. You're not good enough to be in a Black Panther. You saw the. No, you didn't. Okay. Right here we have a nice sword that he probably used in the movie. Has 4 little holes at the top. Has a really long kind of string handle. So it's probably a 2-hand sword that he probably can't hold because of, yeah, but we'll talk about the hand later. Has like a curve at the end, probably makes it less sharp. Also looks kind of Wakandian, sort of. Is that racist? YouTube, is that racist? Can I say that? No, I can. I just had an idea. I'll see you in a second. What I've done. I do. So right here we got 2 of these beautiful grabbing hands. If it can actually grab something, but we'll test that later. These grabbing hands, pretty nice. They grab stuff as their hands. Yeah. So they have like. What I'm wondering if this guy's a girl because his little nails. Yeah, I think they're polished. They're gold polished. Kilmonger, are you a girl? I don't know, bro. But he doesn't look like a girl. So that's that hand. It just kind of has some silver plating right there. Like Spider-Man, but better. No, he's not. Nobody's better than my boy Spider-Man. Nothing else to really talk about it. It's kind of curved, I guess, but later we'll talk about the posability. All right. Next up, more hands. Okay, now we have this hand. Pretty much the same as the other hand. Is he a female? Or is she a female? Gold plate on right there still. Kind of has a little, I didn't say this in the other one, but it has an odd texture to it. It's like there's billions of little specks on it, or circles that make it like a cool texture. Cool. Has like a also kind of texture here, curving in. It's pretty nice. So you kind of get like a better look on the inside for this hand. Clawing someone, maybe. Clawing Black Panther. Did they fight? I don't know. So that's the hand. Gold plate, like I said. Let's get to the figure. So here we have the Kilmonger. Full-sized. Pretty close to the Iron Man I have. You probably can't hear me. Which I don't have right now. But he's pretty nice. He has some detailing. Gold detailing right here. In fact, there's a lot of gold detailing on his face or helmet, whatever you want to call it. But he has like a necklace. His He's the opposite of the king of Wakanda. His feet, they look odd. I don't know why they look like that, but you probably can't see his feet right now. But all the way up, you got like silver, really silver lining. That's really hard to see, but I can see it because you are just seeing this off of a screen. Yeah, baby. Because screens are good. No, they're not. You're just watching this on the screen. Get wrecked. The ears, not too much to talk about right there. You got some, like right here on the belt, you got the kind of gold detailing there. Goes a little bit up and around, dashing all around. That's what it's all about. I don't really have much to say about this dude. It's pretty much black with a little bit of gold. Not in that way, but up here he has like a bunch of tattoo-looking things on his mask. It's a pretty decent action figure. We're gonna check the posability in a second. Get that? Get that? You get that? Just a second, bro. I'm back. So we're gonna be doing like the posing of the legs right now. It can move up and down just like a normal action figure could. Side to side posability can go pretty much. Yeah, it can go pretty far, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Pretty far. The feet, they're good, but I've seen better. In fact, I've seen way better. You can also right here, you got a joint. I can go like this. Extra joint, just for extra posability. Double joint right here, so you can do stuff like this. Yeah, he did this in the movie, right? Did he? Tell me, please. I've never seen it. I've seen like 30 minutes of it, and then I was like, ew, this sucks. But I hated the movie, and I've only seen like 20 minutes of it. So I can call that not exactly watching the movie. Okay, next up. I'm just kidding, not the body, the arms. The cool thing about the arms is that they can do that instead of just this. Because they can do that because they have a joint right here on the body that lets them do some pretty cool stuff. On the back, you can see they got a double joint here. If you can see, they have a double joint here. So that's kind of awesome. Double joint there. The arm moves up right about to here. Doesn't go up any higher like that. So the arms can kind of go side to side like that. Pretty nice, I gotta say. Not bad posability. Not bad, really. They also has like a ab crunch right there. If I'm using fancy words too much, then yeah, I don't know a lot of action figure words, but ab crunch. And the head can move about that much up. To be honest, not that high. Yeah, it's really not that high, but better than nothing. So, posing time. Yay. Pose A. I don't know if he does this in the movie because I've never seen it, practically. I've also never seen any parts with him in it, I think. I partially remember it either. So, yeah, that's kind of a bad part about this. But pose A. Yay. You got a good looking at that? Well, if you didn't, well, rewatch this. Rewatch this whole video. I'll get more views. No, I won't. Pose B. If anything, this was quite hard to do, because, first of all, thinking of what to do is kind of hard itself. But there might be like a pose D in this, because, yeah, with the Iron Man, weren't many poses you could do for it without kind of jumping, and I didn't really have a jumping kind of thing to do. So this is pose B. Take a good looking at that, and yeah, your looking's over. I'm lying. There is not gonna be a D because I got stuff to do and stuff. So this is the final pose. Hope you like it. It's ugly, I know. Yeah. I just gotta go. Goodbye, peoples. Final posing. Take a good looking. Said that 500 times, but